Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Sarosh and I am a foundation level student at Rehan School of Campus Islamabad, and today I am doing a movie review topic what I learned from watching. So today I am excited to share my review of the movie Patch Adams and the valuable lesson I learned from it. Patch Adams is an inspiring film based on the life of Hunter Patch Adams, a doctor who believed that medicine is about more than treating diseases, it's about caring for people. The movie follows his journey through medical school, where he challenges traditional ideas by showing that kindness, humor, and compassion can play an important role in healing. One of the biggest lessons I learned from this movie is that kindness has the power to heal. Patch Adams treated every patient with respect, warmth, and genuine care. Instead of seeing patients as his medical cases, he saw them as human beings with emotions, fears, and dreams. This reminded me that a simple smile, a kind word, or a caring attitude can make someone's difficult day a little brighter. Another important lesson is to never lose your compassion throughout the movie. Patch faced criticism because his methods were different. Many people believe doctors should remain distant from their patients. The movie also highlights the importance of following your purpose. Patch Adams wanted to become a doctor not for money or status, but because he truly wanted to help people. His passion gave him the strength to overcome obstacles, rejection, and personal hardship. This inspired me to think about choosing a career based on purpose and making a positive difference in the lives of others. Another meaningful lesson is that laughter can be powerful medicine, while laughter cannot cure every illness. This film also teaches us about resilience. Patch experienced painful losses and difficult moments, but he did not give up on his dream and or of helping people. Instead, those challenges made him even more determined to create a healthy system based on compassion and humanity. The acting, the acting, storytelling, and emotional scenes made this movie unforgettable. It made me reflect on how important it is to care for people, not only physically but only emotionally. Whether we become doctors, teacher, engineer, or artist, we all have the ability to make someone's life better through kindness and understanding. Overall, I found Patch Adams to be an inspiring, emotional, and meaningful film. It taught me that true success comes from serving others with empathy, respect, and love. The movie reminds us that healing begins with compassion, and sometimes the greatest medicine is simply making someone feel valued and cared for. Thank you for so much watching for my review. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please share, and follow for more educational reviews, inspiring content. See you in the next video. So viewers, this is my movie review. Hope you like it. Meet you next to Pakistan Zindabad Khuda Hafiz.